Remove gray hair with just 2 ingredients, no dyes and no chemicals. If you have gray hair, you think that it appeared very early in your life, and you are looking for a homemade recipe to return it to its natural color, without using chemicals, you need to see today's video, and in the end, I will give you some extra advice. So don't miss a minute of this video. Tell me what city or country you watch me from, and at what age did gray hairs start to appear? Welcome to our page, and let's go to today's video. Many people do not like to use chemicals on their hair and are often allergic to the ingredients. Thinking about them, today I'm going to share with you this powerful mixture, which acts as a natural home remedy to improve the health of your scalp and the growth of your hair. And after a short period of use, you will be surprised at the change that occurs in the hair. For some people the results are faster, and for others it takes a little longer. The preparation of this mixture is very simple. What you should do is use a spoon of coconut oil, preferably at room temperature, so that it becomes liquid, and add 3 spoons of lemon juice. Then mix well. Prepare this recipe an hour before your shower, preferably at night, because of the lemon juice. Apply to dry hair, massaging. Let it act for an hour, and wash your hair normally. For the most satisfying results, repeat this recipe at least once a week. In addition to recovering the natural color of the hair, it also helps to eliminate dandruff. Coconut oil is one of the best natural ingredients for hair. Contains proteins, vitamins, and fatty acids. Saturated and monounsaturated fats, and when applied to the scalp along with massage and circular movements, can stimulate blood circulation and consequently hair growth. In addition, it also treats the health of the scalp, due to its antifungal and antibacterial properties, that is, it eliminates dandruff and other hair disorders, gives more shine and life to the hair, thanks to the deep hydration it provides. Protects strands from damage caused by the sun, pollution, chemicals, chlorine, or hair dryers. Prevents hair loss, by strengthening, protecting the loss of hair fiber protein, retains moisture in the hair, leaving them moist and hydrated for longer. It has a high conditioning factor, tones, delays hair graying. Offers protection against sunlight, keeps the color of the dyed hair longer, acts as a pre-shampoo. Lemon juice gives the hair incredible strength, reduces hair loss, gives it extra shine, works by cleaning the scalp deeply, reducing oiliness. When using lemon, some care is necessary. For example, do not use it for a long time, as it can cause hair to dry out, and avoid sun exposure while the product is on the hair and skin, because it can cause burns when using lemon. In your hair, it's important to moisturize afterwards. Now for today's extra advice. You can combine this mixture with a tincture of black tea. If you want faster results, black tea can be applied to black or gray hair. To make this natural mixture with black tea, you must follow the following instructions. Use 2 glasses of water and 3 tablespoons of black tea. Put the water on the fire, and after boiling, put the black tea along with the water. Let it rest for half an hour, then wash your hair normally, and apply the tea dye to your hair, leaving it on for 20 minutes. Wash with cold water. For those with fair hair, only use the first recipe that helps restore your hair's natural color. And for those of you who have dark brown, gray hair, you can combine these 2 coconut oil recipes with black tea to speed up the hair coloring process. Did you like today's advice? Are you going to start using it on your hair? Tell me here in the comments. Hope you are enjoying being here with us. Until the next video,